Okay, so here goes a brief demo of the home automation system using Jarvis. This is my main PC, that's my home automation PC, and CCTV. These monitors are all interconnected. These are the two boxes. Top box is my main PC that I use for these three monitors, and it can jump to that one. Bottom PC is the dedicated home automation system. Jarvis is hooked up to a USB mic, this one for my main PC, and has mics throughout the house for the balance of the home automation. CCTV mics like this one up in the top corner, and wall mounted mics for close proximity communication. Here is another CCTV mic, and there are a few more. I'll just show one more. Here's one in the living room, another one in the passage as an example, another one in the garage, and a few others. Just pause that. This is the engine room where everything's hooked up. Ignore all the fish tank equipment, that's not really relevant. This is the network switch on which Jarvis is connected to. And the NAS drives and Xbox controllers and so on. So let's issue some commands to Jarvis. First I'll put him on.
Loading custom components. Initial checks completed. Backing up the configuration. Initializing databases. Establishing connection to satellite number 52. Rendering main control center. No video files found in the specified video directory. I am online and ready.
Jarvis,
How can I assist you, Master?
open Facebook.
Sure, sir. Opening Facebook.
Close this window. Jarvis, turn study lights off.
Turning the study lights off as requested.
Open the garage door, please.
As you wish. I will now open the garage door. For your safety, please make sure that it is closed again.
Jarvis,
How may I be of assistance?
what series were downloaded recently?
Checking for series downloaded in the last 48 hours. The Gadget Show. Fresh off the boat. Enjoy your viewing.
Okay, so let's leave this room. Let's go to another room. Go to a proximity mic. Jarvis,
How may I help?
turn patio lights on.
As you wish. Turning lights on.
Jarvis,
How can I assist you, Master?
turn patio fan on.
Turning the patio fan on as requested.
Turn patio fan on.
The patio fan is already on.
Turn patio fan off.
Turning the patio fan off as requested.
Okay, so let's switch to more open air mics. I'll take you to the override switch. This is the override switch for the open air mics. I'll put it on. Now Jarvis here is much more open. Jarvis,
How may I be of assistance?
brighten the patio lights.
Increasing the brightness of the patio lights to 50% for you.
Feed the fish, please.
Are you sure you want me to feed the fish?
No, Jarvis.
As you wish.
Play music.
As you wish.
So now he's playing music throughout the house, in every single room, including this one. Okay, let's put the lights on. Jarvis,
How may I be of assistance?
turn sunroom light on.
Turning the sunroom lights on. Remember that they are motion sensing.
These lights are motion sensing, so I have to move around first. Let's do something else. Proximity mic now. Jarvis, stop music. Let's put the yard lights on. Turn yard lights on.
The garden lights are already on.
See, so he knows they're on. Okay, so let's do some more mechanical things like closing the drapes. Jarvis,
Yes, master.
close the drapes.
Closing the sunroom drapes as requested, sir.
Okay, so as you can see, he's closing the curtains now. I'm going to prepare him for my morning briefing, even though it isn't morning. Jarvis,
How may I be of assistance?
turn sunroom light off.
Turning the sunroom lights off as requested.
Turn patio lights off.
Turning the patio lights off as requested.
Turn study lights off.
Turning the study lights off as requested.
Let's do the morning thing. Jarvis,
How may I be of assistance?
good morning.
Would you like me to prepare the house for you?
Yes, Jarvis.
Good morning to you too, sir. Let me prepare the house for you. Turning the sunroom, patio and study lights on for 15 minutes.
So he's opening the curtains,
Now let
putting
me
the lights
prepare your
on,
morning briefing.
putting the lights
It's
on.
Wednesday, November 25th. And the time is 9:37 and 13 seconds p.m. Give me a moment to check on the weather conditions for you, sir. The current conditions for Cape Town is fair with a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Sunrise was at 5:29 a.m. Sunset was at 7:36 p.m. Give me a moment to retrieve the N7 travel times to work for you.
So I'm going to issue a command while he's busy. Turn swimming pool light on.
The sunroom lights are already on.
Oh yes.
Remember that they are motion sensing.
Turn pool light on.
The current travel time from the Pluteklik Road turn off to Bosmansdale Road turn off is good at 1,68 minutes. Turning the swimming pool light on, you can change the color by
So I
toggling
issued a
off
command
and
while he
on
was
again.
busy with another
And
command.
the travel time from the Bosmansdale Road turn off to Wingfield Air Base is good at 0,93 minutes. You should therefore get to work within the usual 20 minutes. Drive safely, sir. That's all for now. I hope that you will enjoy your day.
Let's do something like, let's put the open ear mics on again, just to show those working. Jarvis,
How may I help? Yes, master.
what was downloaded?
Checking for series downloaded in the last 48 hours. The Gadget Show.
These speakers are actually on the home entertainment system.
Enjoy your viewing,
They have
sir.
nothing to do with Jarvis.
The following series are
These
scheduled
smaller
for
ones,
download today.
like this one.
Blackish. The Mysteries of Norm.
Um,
That's all from a series download
and
perspective.
that one, those are Jarvis
These were the
speakers.
last 5 movies downloaded.
He's still busy with the other
Transporter
script.
Refueled. Maze Runner, The Scorched
I'll do something
Trials.
else while he's talking.
You. American
Turn
Idol.
garden lights on.
And last but not least, turning the garden lights on as
So that was using a proximity mic.
And that's it, sir.
Both open
Hope that you
air
enjoy
and
watching
proximity
one of
mics are
them.
now on. So let's do something in the living room. Jarvis,
Yes, master.
turn living room light off. Okay, didn't hear that. That's strange. Jarvis,
How can I assist you, master?
turn living room light off.
Turning the living room lights off as requested.
I must just check this mic up here. I think I disconnected it when I was busy. Not sure what else to show you guys. I can go back into the study now, and I'm switching to my main PC. Wants me to upgrade Windows. Let's do that. Close this window. Open Kick-Ass.
Opening Kick-Ass website.
Maximize this window.
Maximizing.
Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Close this tab, please. Search for latest music videos.
Hope you find something that you like.
Okay, so the stop machine, I'll just use my mouse now.
Right away.
Move up there. Also doubles up as my download machine, running SAB, NZB, and Sickbeard, and it's the home entertainment system. Close this window. I think the motion sensors are off. Let me just enable them. This one. Okay, so I've switched it on now. Open Chrome.
Sure, sir.
I'll show you the hand gestures. So that's closing a window. Open C drive.
Yes, sir. C drive open.
Defaults to that monitor. Okay, so let me show you how I use my hand gestures more frequently. Open Chrome.
I'm on it.
So let's restore this window. Let's restore it again to maximize. Let's move it across. Another one more time. So now it's there. Let's maximize it. Let's close it. Yeah, that's it. I don't know what else to show you guys. Turn your humidifier on.
Turning the humidifier on. Remember to keep the water clean.
Set your humidifier to go off in 10 minutes. Set your humidifier to go off in 10 minutes.